Hello there, everyone. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we'll be talking about Dogecoin, and I'm sure you've heard, or perhaps not, but it's one of the most affordable cryptocurrencies out there. And celebrities from Elon Musk to Snoop Dogg are getting behind what started as lighthearted fun. The currency was virtually unknown, but it's now on the rise as people who are interested in cryptos are super enthusiastic about its attractive price. So, we've seen Dogecoin rise and fall, but there's been a steady uptrend in the crypto's value in the previous months. However, cryptocurrencies like Dogecoin are generally on the up. Their prices keep rising due to a mix of factors. It seems consumers across the globe are ready to use decentralized currencies and put cash to the side. Now, this is happening slowly, but the trend that is visible in the broader market might be more lasting. Central banks don't have to issue it. There's no government regulation. There are many reasons why currencies like Dogecoin are becoming a credible alternative to traditional currencies. So this is all great, but I'm sure you're thinking, will Dogecoin rise forever? There's no simple answer to this, but there is reason to believe that Doge will do pretty well. So the natural question you're probably asking is, will Dogecoin maintain its upward momentum? If you're looking to make a quick buck, then it's perhaps best to get in on the fun sooner rather than later. We wouldn't want to be Elon Musk, who admitted that he got into Bitcoin quite late. There was this article on The Guardian that you can read. Bitcoin is a good thing, Musk said in the comments broadcast on social audio app Clubhouse. Musk said he was late to the party in backing Bitcoin. Bitcoin had surged to above $38,000 after Musk had changed his bio on Twitter to simply #Bitcoin. Of course, now, Bitcoin is almost twice as valuable. When Doge first went online, it was basically trading pennies. If you look at the chart, you'll see that in January 2021, Doge was trading at about 0.8 cents. And although Doge remained pretty low for over 3 months, you can equally say it remained stable, as not many people were into the currency. Then, all of a sudden, the currency quickly rose in February. If you look at the chart, you'll see that between January and February, Doge rose by leaps and bounds. At first, you can look at this and say, well, the currency stayed below $1. But that is a phenomenal rise, people. In the same time, Bitcoin only rose by 50%. So you see here that for a currency that's sort of on the rise, Doge is doing pretty well. Newsflash, more money is flowing into digital assets. So without sounding too hopeful, you can easily see why Doge is going to perform well. There was a recent release on CoinDesk that proved our point. Essentially, there's a bit of fact behind the hype that has surrounded Doge. Bitcoin is considered one of the largest and most valuable cryptos by market capitalization. However, its share of the total crypto market appears to be slipping. In fact, its share of the market has fallen to the lowest level in over 2 years. Meanwhile, competitors are seeing their prices rally. Coins like XRP and Binance have rallied recently, while Doge has equally gotten part of the fun. As we discussed, the price of the currency has equally appreciated. The market dominance of Bitcoin, or the largest cryptocurrency's value as a share of the overall market, has dropped to about 55%, the lowest since April 2019, according to cryptocurrency research firms Messari and CoinGecko. That's down from about 70% at the start of the year. The decline was driven in recent weeks by powerful rallies in the likes of Binance Coin and XRP. Since Bitcoin's market value has held steady at around $1 trillion or slightly above. The trend offers a reminder of just how much money is flowing these days into digital assets beyond Bitcoin. Even as the big exchange Coinbase prepares this week for a public stock listing aimed at traditional market investors. This is the 3-month chart. If you're new to the whole Doge thing, this is definitely what you want to be looking at. The Dogecoin price movement on charts is a mixture of bullish candles and a ranging market. Around mid-February, you can see that the chart began forming a descending triangle, and then it stabilized after that. If the price were to break the key resistance point, we could see some upward movement again, and this could spell a new bull run. In simpler terms, it simply means that prices could rise again. If we're to experience another break on the downside, the Doge could eventually slump to the 4.5 cent zone. This zone has support from a previous price gap. Here, the corner pattern is broken upwards. From this range, it has the ability to increase the price towards the resistance shown in the chart. The chart is pretty straightforward. You can see different blue points to show different prices in the last 3 months. And the message is pretty much the same. Dogecoin will continue to perform well in the market. Let's take a look at the price history. Dogecoin's price history extends back nearly a decade at this point, making it one of the oldest crypto altcoins out there. However, ever since the peak crypto bubble when the Dogecoin all-time high of 1.8 cents was reached in early 2018, the asset fell into a long-term downtrend where the future outlook was extremely bearish. Things in 2019 appeared to be turning around, and Dogecoin and many other top crypto tokens started to see a resurgence. In 2020, it was the subject of a TikTok trend where users attempted to pump and dump the price of Dogecoin. Users incorrectly called it a stock, but nonetheless, it had users asking, why is Dogecoin going up instead of why is Dogecoin dropping and going down for a change? Dogecoin is expected to stay strong and head towards its first $1 mark towards the end of 2021. This is thanks to its ever-growing community. The all-time high price for Dogecoin is around 8 cents, which it reached in February 2021, and that's an increase of nearly 1,400% since its beginnings in 2013. At the time of recording, the Doge price was trading at around 7.8 cents. To reach the $1 mark, it needs an additional 1,200% increase. Given its growing user base, popularity on the internet, and worldwide adoption, Dogecoin may breach the $1 target by the end of 2021. If that doesn't happen, then it should do so by mid-2022. So if you're investing in Dogecoin, you should be optimistic about its development in the coming months and years. If you go on a technical chart and analyze the price movement of Dogecoin, you'll see a mix of stable and upward trends. Particularly on a 4-hour chart, the green candles outnumber the red candles. The bullish trend also means that sellers are far and few and buyers are in total control. There's only a small squeeze near the 7 cents mark where sellers were in control for a brief period of time. On the 12th of February 2021, the Dogecoin chart formed a descending triangle. If it successfully breaks the resistance, then it could head towards a 30% upward movement. The TD sequential indicator also confirmed the buy signal, which makes the breakout even more probable. This stable lower support trend line is at 6.2 cents. In case it breaks, then the Dogecoin can slump to 4.3 cents before bouncing back strongly. The prediction for Dogecoin till 2025 is intense and bullish. Due to its popularity among users, it's expected to stay afloat. There will be ups and downs, but it will eventually form an upward price trend. Another reason why fundamental analysts are optimistic about Dogecoin's long-term growth is its popularity among celebrities. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been talking about Dogecoin since April of 2019. Later, he was appointed the unofficial CEO of Dogecoin on Twitter, and his tweets have significantly influenced Dogecoin's price from time to time. But Elon Musk is not alone in endorsing the use of Dogecoin. The coin has high-profile fans like American rapper Lil Yachty and rock musician Gene Simmons. Lil Yachty reportedly said that he'd be investing a third of his wealth on Dogecoin. Similarly, Gene claimed that he'd be buying Dogecoins along with other cryptocurrencies in the future. So a bright future lies ahead for Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies. If you're looking forward to investing in Dogecoin in 2021, stay updated with the Dogecoin predictions and news on our channel. We're definitely monitoring what's going on day by day and will keep you up to date on how Doge functions. We've made it to the end of today's video. If you've enjoyed what you've been watching, please consider leaving a like on this video, sharing it with your friends, and maybe also subscribing to the channel while clicking on the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video, which is usually every single day. Also, be sure to check out links in the description. We've left off a link for our viewers to sign up on Binance and get a 5% off on trading fees for life. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. Good luck and happy investing.